Today we are making a magic rock. First we get 10 scoops of flour. Next you can get baking soda too. Then you can get a bowl. Then you can get food drops. Okay. I know I already have my baking soda in there. Maybe I have to open it all the way. I think I should do a little bit more of it. Gotta eat your D and the ostrich D and the siren.
7 days a week.
I think I'm gonna need a spoon.
Working while you sleep. I'm an alien among the human beings. I fell down
the earth. I think I'm going to have to use a spoon.
So you think you need a spoon?
Yes.
Okay, well just don't drop it. Don't knock anything down.
I'm gonna get a spoon, guys. Just wait for me. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna do it over here. Think I should do a little bit more. Y'all think I should do a little bit more? Okay. No, I'm gonna get the other pack. At least we got some green. I'm going to do blue and green. You could do whichever color you want. I hate to tell you this. Gushy bum 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 bushy bum bum. Shiki ging ging tiki gon gon. Shiki bum bum bum. Shishi bum bum. My foot creep. I know what I'm doing.
When you finish, let me see how. All right, buddy. Remember, if you walk away, you gotta pause it.
Other pack. It's mommy. It's done.